Hi beauty babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Martha and this is Martha's Makeup, obviously. I'm so glad to be back and I'm happy that you are here because this is this time of the year. Yes, so the time that all singles hate and all couples usually hate too because they need to spend a lot of money, but when I was not single, I did enjoy that time. What can I say? I just love love. I'm all about love. I'm all about lovey-dovey stuff, and I wave my hands a lot, I know. I'm just excited because yes, I am talking about Valentine's Day. I suppose it is time and it is only appropriate that we cook up a bit of a Valentine's Day look for you guys. Obviously, it's Martha's makeup style, so it's gonna be easy, quick, affordable. But I think I'm gonna spice it up just a little bit. The eye look is gonna be kept simple. I'm gonna do something here maybe just because I'm doing a Valentine's Day collaboration with the most amazing person in the entire world. She's such an amazing artist and so talented, and obviously she's just the sweetest person as well. I DM'd her because that is me. That's what I do. I just DM random people. So we've been talking for a while and she's just the sweetest person in the world. Make sure to check her out. Makeup by Maybelline. Still don't know how to pronounce that. I'm sorry. I'm so bad. She is absolutely amazing, and make sure you follow me on my Instagram too, so you don't miss out on that collaboration that I'm so honored to be a part of. Obviously it's Martha's _ makeup. Follow me right now. Stop that video and do it. Yeah, are we all done? Fantastic. So let's just keep the ball rolling and let's get started. Cue that intro. So obviously we're starting with a face primer. My face is already primed with Paese Hydrobase. Yes, you guessed it. Thank you very much. And now I'm just going in to do the brows. So I'm just brushing the soap through the brows and giving them a bit of volume, a bit of shape. Yeah, let me know guys. I've been doing bushy brows not a long time at all. Before I just enjoyed the snatched brow more. So let me know in the comments right now, which brow do you prefer? Do you like the bushy brow or do you like the yeah, just the snatched brow a bit more? Let me know. Great. So now I'm just taking my Maybelline Brow Temptation Angled Shaping Pencil and I'm just gonna draw that shape, draw some individual hairs as well. I need to. So yes, the brows are done. They are also shaped with a concealer, so it's time for the eyes. I'm using my PLouise eye base as usual. And obviously we're going all pink, all red, all sweet and oh, I'm gonna throw up kind of vibe. That's what we're going for today, just in case you're wondering. Yeah. Make sure when you are tapping on your base that is then still visible, because the PLouise base and any other base, to be fair, it's supposed to still be visible on your eye. It's not supposed to be, you know, completely melted into your skin. You're supposed to still see it, right? So there we go. We've got the base on, and I think I'm gonna do one eye off camera and then go back to you, just figure out what I'm doing really, because I have no idea, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys and do the other eye on camera with you. Hey! Okay, so it took a while, hello, but that is what is going on for the eye look. Do we like? Do we enjoy? Do we think it's cute? Because if you don't, I'm gonna be very upset because it took me a lot longer than it should. Hey, apparently me and the white liner are not friends anymore, or maybe we just never have been friends. yeah, but anyway, we are starting with obviously priming our eyes with the PLouise base, which we already did. Please ignore the sound of my dog somewhere in the background. And then we are going in with a medium blending brush and a dark purple shade, and we are just going to be packing that shade in the crease and a bit winging it out just a little bit, but don't blend it too much yet. You just want the shade to be packed there. You want the color to show, and that's pretty much it for now. Great, and now you take another blending brush and you take well, I am just using the James Charles palette, to be honest, and I'm taking the shade Love That. Love That, I really do. So it's just this purple going into pink, to be honest. I don't know how else to say that. And you literally just mix it with that dark purple and just buff out the edges just the tiniest bit, just so it looks a bit less harsh, sorry. The only thing you do is those small circular motions. Here and there, buffing that shape out. Fantastic, and now we are taking yet another brush with a shade. Now I'm going with Makeup Obsession LA Dreams palette. And I'm going with the shade Beverly Hills, which is just the brightest pink out there, which, to be honest, probably was easy to figure out from the name. So let me know, guys, do you guys like pink looks in general? Because I feel like, because I'm blonde, I mean not naturally blonde, but I am blonde, I feel like whenever I do like a full pink look, I just look, I don't know, like it's just too much. But I really, so Valentine's Day is really like the only time where I can do that and just, yeah, just get away with it. But to be honest, I really like pink looks. I think they look just good with my eyes, to be honest, as well. And I just enjoy doing them, even though pink are probably the most staining shadows out there. So whenever I take them off, they are not really off. Okay, so that is the shape. Fair enough. Now we're going to take a Q-tip and a bit of a makeup remover on that Q-tip. Okay, that was a bit too much. And we're going to create that shape that's on the inside. Right? So just a general shape, because we will go with, obviously, with the makeup base again afterwards, so it doesn't have to be like perfect. And remove everything from the inside of that. So you've got a clean lid to work with. Okay, so that's what we've got. And now we are obviously going in with the PLouise base once again, and just making that shape a bit more snatched, and just priming the eye before we go in with the shades that I want to be on the inside. Okay, so now it can get a little bit tricky. I'm taking the brush that is normally for the brows, and I'm picking up the dark purple shade, and I am just throwing the shape inside of that shape. Just the outside of it. It also doesn't have to be like amazingly slick or anything, because it it was just easier for me to do it that way, and then just place the white liner in that little space that we're gonna have. But in full honesty, you don't really have to do that. You can just fill in that shape with shadows, and you don't have to draw that like I just did. Because for some people it's gonna be harder, for some people it's gonna be easier. For me it's easier, but it all depends on you. And literally you're just packing that purple shade first, and then that less purple shade there. There we go. And now we take another shade from the James Charles palette, Artistry, which is, I think, is my favorite shade out of this entire palette. It's just this purple shimmer. Like, look at that. Look how that shows how amazing that is. You just pack it on that shade that you had underneath it, whatever, on that purple shade, and then you drag it to the front a little bit. So what that does is it's more purple, shimmery in the middle, and then it fades a bit towards the front. So we have like that blend effect without even blending. And then I'm gonna take a pink shimmer on a small flat brush, if I can find one, and I'm literally just gonna place it just in the beginning and blend it with that violet shimmer. All nice and blended, and all we have to do now is the hardest part, which is the white liner. I like to not have a lot on the actual brush, just like the tiniest bit, and just draw the line with the tip of the brush. So it's easier that way. You just add the liner, but you're not gonna have too much. It's easier to add it than to take it away, if you know what I mean. And with a white liner, remember that a small amount really goes a long way and kind of does the job. So yeah, and you want the line to fade a bit towards the front like that. So yeah, so just use the tiniest bit on at the beginning of the actual cut crease. And there we go. You can just add a little bit if that faded here a bit, because it faded for me. You can just add a bit of those shades from the beginning, the purple one and then the pinkish one, so the blending looks better. And then I'm gonna add the pinkish one as well. Yay, we did it, guys. Well done. Well done, us. And I'm just gonna buff out the edges with that pink. Okay, so now all there's left to do is clean the under eyes, because there's quite a bit of fallout with me always. And then do the lower lash line, which I'm gonna do exactly what I did at the beginning, so the purple, less purple and pink, and then just finish off the face. And I'm gonna be right back with you guys, because I'm gonna do that spice that I talked about in the beginning. And there we've got, ta-da! The finished look, guys. I hope you like it. That is what we agreed on with Mev. I'm so sorry. Yes, so we want the heart line in the middle, and the rest was just us. So the eye look, you can totally do that eye look just on a normal date. And then the rest is just the artistic soul of me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to let me know in the comments if you like Valentine's Day. How do you celebrate Valentine's Day? If you are single or not single, like, what do you do with your partner? What do you do alone? Because yes, we singles need to celebrate Valentine's Day as well. We celebrate love in general, and I love love, as I said in the beginning. So let's just all celebrate love, the love to our family, the love to ourselves. Just pamper yourself and your partner if you have one. If you don't, just pamper yourself, your family, your friends. And yeah, and I hope you're gonna have your Valentine's full of love. Yeah, but definitely let me know in the comments if you enjoy Valentine's Day at all or not. And what do you do? What are your plans? Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that notification bell as well, so you get notified every time I post a video, and just so you can support me on my journey. And let's celebrate love, please. If you love makeup, support. I don't even know what I'm saying. Anyway, yes guys, so I really hope you liked it, and I really hope you have an amazing Valentine's Day, and I wish you all the best. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me everywhere you can on TikTok, and yeah, see you in the next one.